أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So guys, the first connected letters here are tha, meme, tha, meme, tha, meme. How these letters will connect here? The first is tha. The first letter is, you can see here. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students? I'm fine and hope you all will be fine there. And I hope you are enjoying the Ramadan. And today is the fifth Ramadan has been completed with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Uh, yes, my dear students, I'll request you to subscribe my channel, and I welcome to all guys, all my dear students on my uh, teaching learning of Holy Quran channel, Learn with Hafiz Abdul Wahid. And please must subscribe who are newcomers on my channel. I request you must subscribe my channel, Learn with Hafiz Abdul Wahid, too, and must watch all my videos, and don't be forget to press the bell icon so that you can got all the notifications of my all videos, that you can got a benefit, and you can learn how to recite and how to read and how to pronounce the sounds of the alphabets and connector letters, and how we connect the letters of Arabic alphabets. So guys, now let we go and see what's the lesson of the today, and let's come on guys. Yes, students, we are reading and we are learning about lesson number 2, connector letters, haruf murakkabat, and we have learned, we have discussed, we have pronounced, and we have learned the page I'm pointing out here. Last time we have learned at the end of the page like ta, meme, and next we'll start here from the next page, and we'll start here with tawuz and tasmiya. So guys, we start here. Sa with the addition of meme, and with the half written form of sa here, you can see here the first half of sa. With the addition we connect here meme, but meme is written here in another form, sa meme. With the half written form of sa, we write here sa. With the addition of, we connect with the other form of meme, with the other written form of meme here, sa meme, sa meme. And the next is ba ya, and the next is ba ya, and the next is baya. How we connect these two letters? If you can see here, the first is ba plus ya, ba, and we'll write here with the half written form of ba, like you can see here, ba, and we'll connect here ya, ba ya, ba ya, ba ya, and the next is ya, ya, and there are these two are ya. Number one is also ya on right side, and on left side is also ya, and the first is with two dots, and the other is like ya. We have learned here like this ya. And what's the matter here? What's the logic here? Why the first is with the two dots, and the other is original ya here? So if you listen here, if you will listen me and listen me carefully, so you can understand here. I'll telling about the what's the logic here. Why is there are two dots of ya and the other is with the original ya, as we learned, as we have learned in the alphabet in alphabet letters, as we have seen you in the first page of alphabet letters of Arabic alphabet letters. So actually the logic here, like it's not here, It's also ya plus ya. It's actually logic here. If we will write on the ya of right side with the half written form, with the half written form of ya, we will write it as you see here. We'll write it as you say here with two dots. When we'll write ya with the half written form, then we write it as with the two dot, like here, like we have written ba, like we have written sa. Similarly, we write here with two dots under the letter ya. When we write the half written form of ya, we write ya with the half written form like ba and like sa here. And on left side, the ya will be write as its complete form. So we'll pronounce here as ya, ya, with the half written form of ya on right side. Ya will be written as in this way with the half written form, and we'll connect here the other ya like in its complete form here, ya, ya. So guys, similarly it will be written noon, ya, noon, ya. Half written form of noon with the addition, with the connection of ya, noon, ya. And the next is ta, ya, ta, ya. Ta will be written as on right side, will be written in its half written form, ta, ya. And similarly the next is sa, ya. Sa on right side, at the end on left side is ya here. Sa will be written in its half written form, with its half written form, with the connection of ya with its complete original form, ya. Sa, ya. The first letter will be written in connector letters. First letter will be written in its half written form, and the last letter is written in its complete original form. Sa, ya, sa, ya. And the next is Noon, ba, lam. First letter will be written as its half written form. The second is also in its half written form, and the last is in its complete written form. Guys, is point to be noted here. The first letter, second letter, if there are connected letters are more than two, as it's here, it's complete. It's consists on three letters here: noon, ba, lam. So first and second letter will be written in its half written form, whereas the last letter will always be written in its complete and original form here. So noon will be written in its half written form, ba is also written with its half written form, like you can see here. Noon, ba, lam. There are three connector letters: noon plus ba, noon plus ba plus lam, noon plus ba plus lam. Noon will be written as in its half written form, like you can see here, like here. Noon plus ba will be written as like here in its half, in its half written form here, like you can see here. Similarly, ba will be written here in its half written form, noon, ba, noon, ba. And the last is will be written in its complete original form, noon, ba, lam. And the next is ta, noon, lam, ta, noon, lam. uh, how we connect these three letters? Ta, here's the ta complete form plus noon and plus lam here, ta, noon, lam. The first ta and the second noon will be written in their half written form, and the last lam is written in its complete original form here. So ta will be written as in its half written form, ta, plus noon will also written in its half written form, ta, noon, ta, noon, with the addition of a complete written form, lam. Ta, noon, lam, ta, noon, lam. And the next is ba, ya, lam, ba, ya, with a single dot under the letter is ba, and the double two dots under the letter is ya. Ba, ya, lam. Here you can see here the first is ba plus the second is ya plus the last is lam. As I have earlier I have mentioned here, if we will written ya with its half written form, that it will be written as two dots under the letter here, like in this form, like ba, half written form of ba, half written form of like sa. But ya is with two dots under the letter here. So you can see here ba with the half written form is like here ba, we connect here ya in this way with the two dots under the letter ba, ya, and with the complete written form of lam, ba, ya, lam, ba, ya, lam. And the next is similarly the next two letters are similarly like we have learned here, noon, ba, lam, ta, noon, lam, ba, ya, lam. Similarly the next are ya, ta, lam, with the half written form of ya, with the half written form of ta, with complete original written form of lam, ya, ta, lam. And the next is sa, sa, lam, with the half written form of sa, and the next is also half written form of sa with the addition of the last letter, complete original form of lam. The last, remember it, the last letter will always be written with its complete written form, not with a half letter. First, second letters will be written with their half written forms, but the last letter will be written, always be written with complete original form. Hey, sa, sa, lam, sa, sa, lam. And the next is noon, ba, noon, noon, ba, noon. If you can see here, noon, ba, noon, noon, ba, noon. Here the first is noon plus second is ba plus the last is noon. Here the first noon will be written in its half written form, the next is ba will be written in half written form, and the last letter, as I have earlier said, will always be written in its complete written form. Noon, ba, noon, noon, ba, noon. Similarly, we will go ahead, ba, noon, noon. Here the middle letter is noon, but as it's not the final last letter of the word, so it will be written in its half written form, ba, noon, noon. The last letter noon will be written in its original form, ba, noon, noon, ta, ya, noon, ta, ya, noon, ta, ya, noon. I hope you you will be listen carefully and will revise by following me. In this way you will learn the connector letters, you will learn the sounds and pronunciations of the letters successfully, correctively. So similarly the next letter connector letters are ya, ta, noon, ya, ta, noon, with the half written form of ya, the second with the half written form of ta, with the complete original written form of noon at the end. Ya, ta, noon. And the last letter of today's lesson, connector letters are sa, sa, noon. The first two letters are sa, half written form of sa plus half written form of sa. By connecting these two, at the end we will connect here original form of noon with the original form of noon, with complete original form of noon, not with the half written form. Sa, sa, noon, sa, sa, noon. So students, guys, we'll finish today's lesson here. So sadaqallahul azim. So guys, I hope you will listen my lesson carefully, attentively, and you must revise the letters by following me. In this way you will inshallah ta'ala will learn how to connect the letters, the sounds and pronunciations of Arabic alphabets easily, and in this way we can go ahead, and furthermore we can recite the Holy Quran successfully and without mistakes, correctively, with correct sounds and pronunciations. Furthermore, I request you, especially who are newcomers on my channel, to watch my all videos to learn the Holy Quran with the rules and regulations of Arabic grammar, with Tajweed. To learn the Quran with Tajweed, must subscribe my channel Learn with Hafiz Abdul Wahid to learn the Quran with Tajweed, and don't be forget to press bell icon so that you can got all the notifications of my coming new videos. And you in to learn the Holy Quran with Tajweed, you must have to interact my channel, and for this purpose you have to must subscribe my channel and must watch all my videos, complete videos. So guys, for the next lesson with a new day, till the new video, till the new lesson, permit me. So guys, till then, Allah Hafiz.